How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, open YouTube app. Now find a video you wanna share. You can simply tap to open it. Now tap on share button and then copy the link. Now open Instagram. Head towards your story icon at top left and you can take a photo, record a video or upload one from your gallery. After that, tap on the sticker icon at top right corner of your screen. Tap on OK button and select Not Now. Now here you need to choose the link button or sticker. And here you need to paste the previous copied URL. Now tap the Done button at top right and the link of YouTube will appear on your story. You can easily place it anywhere you'd like to. And after that, you can customize your story and then tap on your story button at bottom left corner of your screen. And now whenever the other persons tap on that particular link, they will easily get access to your YouTube video. So with that, you have successfully shared a YouTube video on Instagram story. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.